Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 30th, 2021. We're going to give you all the top option play for today and how to profit. If today is your first time ever viewing our content and you all appreciate how we are showing you how you can profit while playing the options market, or even picking out a stock that you expect to go higher in price, or just even predicting in general where the market is headed, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. It is one of our main focuses to make sure that we continue to show you all how to view the market, how to do it in a way that is simplistic and easy to understand, and as well as win and profit. All right, so make sure you hit the like button before you head out, subscribe, and also share the video. So we're going to show you all an option play for a stock that we're expecting to go higher in price. You guys can already tell what stock it is. It is the Sealed Air Corporation. The ticker symbol is SEE. And we're going to show you why we're expecting this particular stock to go higher in price and which option should we choose in order to capitalize on that price movement. So first, let us look at this particular market in C. All right, you can see here that the market is pretty much confirming that it likes this area for support. Okay, so this is the first thing that we're going to identify into the market and see is that around $42.50 is support. Next thing, the market in C, this is the definite massive indication as to what this particular stock is trying to do. Okay, so you can see how the market in C has been following this trend, right? Back in 2018, the market was utilizing that line as restriction, just like in 2019, and it did it again in 2019. Now, here in 2021, we all can see that C is trying to keep price above it, which is very good to see in terms of anticipating higher price movement. Okay, now let's go ahead and get all these arrows off of our chart. Now, looking at this on a monthly time frame, looks pretty good as well here too. I mean, over the last 2 months, for the month of January, even into the month of February, we've seen the market in C go lower in price, right? And currently we got a day and 10 hours left for the month of March, and we're seeing this market close toward the high of the current bar. That lets us know that there is still an emphasis to try to continue to increase its price. So one thing we need to recognize though is how high do we expect the market to go? Because here is restriction. Okay, right here around $48. Market is around $47.36 right now. So I'm not really anticipating the market in C to really have a massive breakout. But yeah, I am anticipating for the price to go higher, and we could utilize that for our option play. You know, the one that we're going to pick on Thinkorswim. Okay, so from a monthly perspective, if you were to put in a position expecting the market in C to go higher, $48 is the first area of restriction. That's only about 1.5% profitability, but it's doable for us to come and see the market come towards 50. Okay, so we need to keep that in mind as we see C trend higher in price. Okay, so let's switch this over into let's get rid of this. Now look at this on a 3 weeks time frame. Okay, yeah, we're gonna play this on a weekly, so we can watch it on a weekly basis to continue to see whether or not the market continues to trend higher in price. Okay, so this is it. I'm not really seeing a massive breakout to the upside for C yet. And let's bring this up here to our ultimate area of restriction, which is around $50. I tend to see that as a psychological area. Many people who participate in the market in C wouldn't see that as an area just to try to obtain, just because 50 is just a mind frame that people try to reach. So let's go ahead and put in this option that we're anticipating to capitalize on into the market in C. So Let's go ahead and hit that trade button. We're going to type in a ticker symbol, which is C here on Thinkorswim. And these are the options currently available in the market for C. Okay. These are monthly options. So we have 17 days left on this current option period that ends April the 16th. We have 52 days left on this option that expires May the 21st, 2021, 108 days, and then 199 days left for these 4 monthly options here. So which one do you think will be a good opportunity to come in and purchase a single call option? Because we're anticipating the market in C to go high in price. Okay, so this one we have 17 days left. So if we wanted to buy a single call option, it will be $100. If it's going to take us a while before us to see the market hit $50, then we might want to extend it out another 52 days, give the option enough time to play. That's about $230. So let's see this one first. Okay. So we're going to right click, hit that buy button. We're going to do a single call option in the market for C. And bring this down to 1. And now let's analyze the trade and see if it's something that we need to do. Okay, so this light shaded area, okay, this is your first time watching our video, simply is the probability range of where we can see price go within the option time period, okay, which is May the 22nd, 2021. We can see the price move from $42 all the way up here towards $52.38, right? We're anticipating the market to at least come to 50, right, on our price chart. So it's doable. It's around 30% opportunity that we can see the market go from where we're seeing the last price trade to $50. Now the max that we can lose on this particular option play is what we paid for it, which was $230 right here. That's the max that we can lose. Now the gain is infinite. So let's say the market in fact for C was to break out and to hit $59, $60, we can make $800 on that particular play. Now as you can see though, to be realistic, the market hasn't made that at all. The highest that it ever came to was around $55. So looking at this on analyze this option trade, $56 would give us about $600 profitability for us to see a market breakout and see, which you cannot complain. That is still pretty good profit with a small allocation of capital to the play. That's very good to see that. So what we're going to do, we're going to see if we can get this one actual filled. Just play 235 on it. So the max that we can lose is $235, and the max that we can gain, within 52 days, it's about $593 there. Okay, so the odds are pretty good there in terms of risk basis. But 68%, we can see the market come up to around $52, $53, which will still give us $275, give or take, and bring that in closer. Right, $284 there. So that still be pretty good profit close to expiration. Now we're not going to let the market or the call option expire worthless. We're going to exit out the position because we do not want to get exercised or assigned on this particular play. All right. So questions, comments, let us know. Let's go ahead and play this real quick. See if we could get it filled. So $235.65 will be the cost of the trade, which includes the commission of 65 cents there. Okay. So that's it. You guys got questions and comments, let us know. And as always, make sure you predict, profit, and win, maintaining profitability. I'll see you all on the next video.